still playing with the bird. It's been a couple minutes. Alright, you're gonna hear something. I'm gonna just see what it does. That wasn't as good a stick as I thought it was. He's not playing with me since I did that. Alright, we're gonna get moving. Before it starts getting too warm out here, and I call it a day. It's already probably up to about 70, 72, I'm guessing. Strictly guessing. He quit playing with me after I hit that little log on that branch laying on the ground right there. Or since I stood up. Because that whole time I was sitting down behind the bush. He ain't playing no more. That's weird. Oh well, like I said, we're gonna get moving. Put you way up in the air. That's where I'm thinking about going, over that way. That bird hasn't made one noise since I stood up. But the whole time I was sitting, he was whistling with me. Nothing. Not a sound out of him. Oh well, that was fun. And like I said, we're gonna move on, put the coffee cup back, and I think we're going over there. I might venture out this way first, because the car is over there.